2 durable launch ramps with a tabletop connector. Smooth radius for big airs and a textured slip-resistant finish provides safety without compromising fun. Easily assembles in minutes. Ramp provides safe fun for scooter, skateboard, bike, and inline skate riders. Each ramp has a weight capacity of 125 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Launch ramp. The launch ramp happened to be the exact height of the dog door on the outside that I had installed, 8.5 inches tall. In other words, the lowest point of the dog door on the inside was still 8.5 inches from the floor of the patio on the outside. This item worked perfectly and I didn't have to construct a ramp from scratch with I am not good at working with wood. I did have to modify it by cutting off the back edge so it would sit flush with the building, and then I took it to an upholstery place to have outdoor carpeting installed on it so the dog wouldn't slip down the ramp in the winter. But once it was done, the ramp works perfectly in its intended location. And of course it holds the weight of the 10-pound dog that goes in and out of the dog door all day long. I am very happy with my purchase of the launch ramp.